guys, it's your girl Beau Rave here, and today I'm going to review Curlsmith's new product line. There's a Curlsmith Frizz Control Cleanser, Curlsmith Frizz Control Duo Conditioner, and Curlsmith Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer. Supposed to cater to fine to medium hair with claims to provide frizz reduction and curl definition with medium hold without stiffness or crunch. So I'm going to review all three products, showing you guys how I did it as an air dry set, using a diffuser, and as a wash and go. So let's get into this video with my little fine hair. All right. Good morning. I'm doing a Curlsmith anti-frizz recipe Frizz Control Cleanser review. Curlsmith Frizz Control Duo Conditioner. The Curlsmith Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer. So I'm giving y'all a first impressions and review. I just shampooed my hair. I will take it out of the clip. I figured I might as well come on and just show y'all. My curls have started to air dry. I have applied about a dime size amount of the retainer all over my hair. I have no other product. Usually after I shampoo my hair, I will come in and put on my one and only organ oil. I have not even put that in my hair because I wanted to just really see what the product would be like. Usually I'll let my curls air dry, but sometimes if I want them super defined, I'll just ring curl them like this, and then once they are completely dry, I pull them apart. No, I'm not worried about the roots being extra fine because I actually like volume in my hair because my hair is kind of thin. So as you guys can see, I'm literally just making random ring curls all over my head. No set anything. So I do have the Curl Frizz Retainer in my hair, and the plan is going to be, since we are here in Texas and it is supposed to be raining and under tornado effects and all this other stuff, the plan is just to let my hair air dry and see how this product does on my hair. I do not have any chemicals in my hair, anything, so there's nothing to alter my natural curl pattern but me, if you're not hydrating and all those different things. So my hair dries pretty fast, so I'll just run a little water on my hands. Now I will tell y'all, it's definitely retaining the length, and definitely my curls look really, really put together. So let's talk about the Curlsmith Control Cleanser. It is definitely a cleanser. It reminds me of the Talia Wajid pre-shampoo. I think it was black. I don't know if it still is, but she had a black pre-cleanser that I used to use. I used her whole system in my salon on certain clients, like that would come in for dreads and things like this, and it really did cleanse the hair. So when I'm referring to it, it's a really good product. I think it does cleanse the hair. I'm not sure if I picked up all the products because I do remember it was more in the product line when I was in Ulta and I saw this. I said, oh, let me try this. It's something for curls. My daughter loves the Curlsmith, what is it, the co-conditioner or whatever. Co-conditioning. She loves that one. So I figured I would get this one and try it out and see if I like it. And so far, so good. I don't have any complaints. Like I said, my hair was pretty dirty, and my hair is normally never really dirty, but I had a lot of oil and just different things on my hair because I was wearing wigs for the past week and a half. And so I came in, so now my hair feels like my top. I don't know how that's gonna curl because it was a little way down, but it cleansed all that out of my hair. I saturated my hair with water. I shampooed it. Like I said, that shampoo definitely is it feels like a stripper a little bit almost. But it didn't, my hair wasn't tangling, it wasn't knotting, it was none of those things. And so then I went into this conditioner, which I expected it to be like super creamy and different stuff like that, and it wasn't. It was kind of like, I'll show y'all, I'm gonna put it back in there. It almost comes out feeling like lotion, for real. All right, y'all, so memory card had ran out of thing. But here we go. We're fully dry. I've gone ahead and applied me a little makeup because I got some errands to run today. So I think we had stopped and I was talking about the gel. So let me tell y'all this. It does not flake. My hair is still soft, as you guys can see. I have medium porosity hair, so it does not take long for me to dry as well. My hair absorbs moisture just fine. I don't have any like roughness when I'm running down my hair shaft or anything that would suggest that I have low porosity or high porosity or anything. So I'm like a happy median right there in between. I do think that Curlsmith is a great product line for all hair types. I don't think it's just for ethnic or whatever. If I was using this in the salon, this would be a go-to, a grab that I would use, and I would put in my clients' hairs, especially if they were curly or wavy or wanted to control frizz. Now the true test is about to be, I'm going out in these Texas streets. I'm gonna show y'all probably like 10 seconds of my day. Really, it's gonna be my entire day. I'm going out here. We're under tornado storms and flood warning and all this. So why not put the hair to the test for the frizz? It just makes sense. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But back to the meat and potatoes. Let's go ahead and let me give y'all these 10 seconds real quick because make me sweat. Make me want, baby, she dancing. She doing the water dance. Look at that. Girl. I'm gonna pick these out too so that we can get like a little style going. And then like a little tip, I have to look into the viewfinder, y'all, so I apologize. When you take your curls down, especially if you set them, unwind them, right? I know a lot of people tell you put oil, but if you have fine hair, you don't, very little oil, but I'm going in dry-handed because this is very moisturizing. As you separate them, hold it and then place it. Don't run through and let it go because that will cause your curls to not look as tamed, right? You just kind of want to set them in place and separate them as many times as you want. Now, what I will tell y'all is I'm getting a lot of volume, and usually it takes about a day or two for my hair to actually fluff. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me unzoom, girl, so you can see. I'm getting a lot of volume, and I mean, my curls are really, really pretty. I know I'm looking at the viewfinder, y'all, but I'm just trying to, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just trying to really show y'all my curls are really pretty. I'm getting a lot of volume, and I haven't even undone it yet. I usually kind of like my roots because I like voluminous hair. I don't like anything flat. I'm not going to gel anything and all that, you know, gel down baby hairs. I gotta be in the mood, but that's not really my go-to. I like really clean, sleek looking type hair. And so I am really pleased with the volume that I'm getting out of this. The shape that the curl is holding, the non-flakiness of the gel. I mean, these curls look really good. They have a natural sheen to them. So after you're done, if you want to go in and add more sheen, that's up to you. I would definitely say like a mister or a gloss because they won't be as heavy. So I'm gonna get back to unfluffing my hair. Order. I'm out here and it's raining. Look. So this is how the Curlsmith is holding up in the rain so far, honey. I don't have no frizz still. We shall see. Getting shrinkage, but no frizz. You want to say hi, Tone?
Hi, guys.
So I almost forgot to turn on the camera, but really quickly, I went grocery shopping at Walmart. I went to Kroger's, and now I'm at Sprouts getting a few things for the house before I head back to the house out in the rain. Hey, so I made it home, y'all. I got shrinkage going, but no frizz. So here goes my review for tonight. All right, so I'm home. It's about 5. It's about to get dark. So my hair held up pretty great today. I got complimented on how it smells. So really quickly, if y'all have not watched my Reine de Saba video, please, I'm going to insert it here. Today I have on Divine Temptation. However, my hair held up beautifully. I'm so upset I just dropped my camera. So good morning. I wanted to show y'all, last night I did not pineapple my hair. I just went to sleep because I knew I was going to shampoo it today. We're in about I think day 4 or 5. Let me get in this good light and give y'all. So if I would have pineappled it, I wouldn't have as much shrinkage. The curls are definitely old. But y'all, I will definitely tell y'all, I did not really get any frizz with this product. So let's go shower, shampoo our hair. Okay, so today I'm thinking after I shampoo that I am going to diffuse my hair. I haven't done a diffuse in my hair video in a while, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so you got to excuse the quality of my GoPro 11 Black. It's the Hero 11 Black. The volume on this thing is not just like the best, but it is a waterproof camera, and I want to give you guys real time. So in the shower, I'm basically right here just telling you guys, make sure that you saturate your hair with water before you apply the product. Now, I had to jump out because I thought I was washing with the shampoo, and I was slicking it down with the gel. Girl, I had to put my contacts on, get back on in the shower because I had to put the wrong stuff on there. So I had already shampooed, but I thought I was using the conditioner, and I wasn't. I was using the gel. So I'm going to go in and have to re-shampoo with that cleanser, which, that kind of gave me like, made my hair a little rough because like I told y'all, that cleanser is definitely kind of like stripping vibes to me. But after putting the conditioner on here, all is well. Look how beautiful, how my hands just flow through. My curls are just popping. This is straight after the shampoo and the condition. So we'll get out shortly, and then I will show you guys how me doing the curl retainer on there, and then get ready to diffuse my curls so that you guys can see how it looks with the diffuser. Okay, so out the shower, I have wringed my hair out. I have not put anything in my hair. Last time I didn't add any organ oil because I was letting it air dry. But however, we're going to diffuse it today. So I'm going to put about a dime-sized amount of my one and only organ oil in my hair. And then I'm going to add the, come on, you're not in the way. Then I'm going to add the curl retainer, the gel. Okay, I swear my kids be in all my stuff. I went to look for my Nano FHI blow dryer, and I know Robin had it applying her wig yesterday, like it's a $14 hair dryer or something. But so I'm just gonna pull out my platform, my FHI, and get my diffuser ready. Now, small disclosure, I know a lot of y'all like to try to say it's heat damage. You can look at my hair. I have absolutely no heat damage. My hair is extremely fine. I'm gonna say that again. So sometimes even the smallest half of a pea size, if I put in certain areas of my hair, will weigh my hair down and make that part tend to look straight or stuff like this. When I did my previous how to diffuse your hair, there were people in the comments like, oh, your hair is heat damaged, just because my hair was blonde at the time and my hair wasn't even heat damaged. This is the same thing. So I'm just letting you know that as a licensed cosmetologist, I think I would know if I have heat damaged. I rarely ever apply heat to my hair. I rarely ever have wigs on, so I don't really have any damage to my hair. You can have different textures in different parts of your hair. We're gonna go through them, take a wide tooth comb because my hair is not tangled in any way, but I do wanna add, like I said, the organ oil, so I'm gonna do that on camera. I'll put that is just enough because this goes through and it's just gonna go, especially since I have to shampoo my hair twice. I feel like it's a stripper. It's saying cleanser, but I really feel like it's a stripper. So I'm gonna say I had shampooed my hair twice because that was my fault. I should have put my contacts in. I typically don't like to wear my hair super curly until it's fluffed out some. So that's the reason I'm doing the diffuser today, in hopes to kind of fluff it out. I normally do a side part, but I feel like, which one do I want to do today? I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick with my middle part. Before I diffuse my hair too, I like it to kind of air dry a little bit. It just helps with the diffusing process so that it's not, because if it's hardly saturated, it's gonna be harder to diffuse your hair. Now, I will show y'all something. I typically use Pantene. I will say that this Curlsmith really makes my curls way tighter, way way tighter, right? Especially once it starts to air dry. So anyways, when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. Now me personally, I like to distribute from the ends and go up, right? Because I like the bulk of it, because my hair is super curly. I like the bulk of the product to kind of be at the bottom, to give it like a little weight, and you know, whatever. Now, if you like your roots super slicked down, like with no volume, then you can go and add more product at the root. That's not me. I want to try to retain as much volume in my hair as possible. So I'm not going in any particular section here. I'm just starting with sections and pulling, and we're going to work the product up to the roots. And then we want to kind of leave it stretched as we pull it down, and lightly go ahead and let it just fall into whatever place it's going to fall into. As you guys can see, I'm not taking a whole bunch. Again, I don't need a lot. So I didn't want to become too repetitive, but here we go. I have it on a cool setting. It's like a medium tempo, and I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my entire head. Being that my hair is super thin, this doesn't take long at all for me. All right, y'all. So after I'm finished, this is the result. I'm going to try to sit down so that y'all can see the back of my hair. Okay, we are in frame. So as you guys can see, all the curls are there. You can go in with the comb and fluff out even more if you wanted to, right? I'm not, because being that I diffused it, this is about as big as my hair typically will get, and I want it to last throughout the week. As you guys can see, it's moving, it's flowing, it's pretty. So I'm gonna go and do my makeup. Morning, y'all. So this is day 2. This is my hair. So last night I did not pineapple it. I just went to sleep. So I woke up this morning. I just sprayed some water. It reactivated. And these are my curls. They're going to air dry today instead of being diffused like yesterday. So today they're much, they don't have as much volume at the moment because they are like semi-wet. So we'll see. All right. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to give you guys a video showing you how I wore my Curlsmith no frizz curls with me doing them as a set, like a spiral set, or a ring curl set, should I say, with me doing them with a diffuser, and then with me doing them the natural way. So I gave y'all 3 options in this one video. If y'all love this hair review and you really are into this natural hair, I'm going to show you guys how you can get holiday hair. I'm going to show you guys a perfect holiday hair for this holiday season, whether Christmas, New Year's, wherever it is that you're going and you want some waves, you want somebody. I got this Megan Thee Stallion inspired hairstyle that you guys can watch right here. And I hope that you guys have a happy holidays, and I'll see you in that next video on one of the other ones. Bye.